In this problem, we have x squared plus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0, and we need to solve this by completing the square. First thing I'm going to do is subtract 2 from both sides. So I'm going to do minus 2 minus 2. That'll get me x squared plus 6x is equal to negative 2. Now let's complete the square. So to complete the square, take the coefficient on the x term. That's just 6 in this case. And then do the 2 steps. 6 divided by 2 is 3, because you always divide by 2 first. And then you have to square the number you get right afterwards. 3 squared is just equal to 9. So this is a number I'm going to add to both sides of the equation. So I'm going to add a 9 to this side, and I'm going to add a 9 to that side. So I'm going to get x squared plus 6x plus 9 is equal to minus 2 plus 9 is just 7. And now let's factor x squared plus 6x plus 9. That just factors as x plus 3 squared. And the way they can do this really fast is you just take the coefficient on that middle term, which was a 6, and just divide it by 2 to get a 3, and that's the number you're going to put in. And this is all equal to 7. So now let's just take the square root of both sides. So I'm going to take the square root here and take the square root of there. The square and the square root cancel. I'm left with x plus 3. And this is going to be equal to the plus or minus square root of 7, because we did this square root to cancel out an x plus 3 squared. Therefore, you have to take the positive and the negative solution. And then now just subtract 3 from both sides. So if I do that, I'll have x is equal to minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 7. And I can just write both solutions by taking the positive and the negative solution. So we have minus 3 plus the square root of 7 is one solution. And we also have minus 3 minus the square root of 7 is the other solution. And that's it. We're done with this problem.